In March, I gave a disposable camera to every one of my friends and challenged them to get the best photo possible in 2 weeks. After spending hours every week scrolling through Instagram, I had grown tired of how fake and curated posts had become. I thought, why not go back to the time when you couldn't edit your photos and you had to wait to see them? So I challenged each one of my friends to capture the best photo on their disposable camera. They had 27 photos in 14 days. At the end of the challenge, we'd look through all the photos, pick our favorites, and have a gallery for all of our friends to see.
Let the games begin, dude.
So today Jake and I are going to a tunnel to try to grab some cool photos. It's been like, what, 5-6 years since we've been tunneling?
Yeah, dude.
It's been a long time.
Dude, but we used to have like just thick rubber boots.
Alright, let's get a photo. We actually have an article of the first time we were ever in this tunnel up on our website at venture.com.
And that's powered by Squarespace.
Powered by Squarespace. It's scary.
It's kind of creepy.
Did they bring a football team in here? We're too old for this shit.
Why do I always get pulled over? It's not a road trip if you don't get pulled over.
Giving you a warning. Slow down for me, okay? I want you guys to get home safe.
We are shooting disposable cameras in the middle of the forest. Wow!
That is beautiful.
That is actually awesome.
Alright, we're doing something unsafe here, but it's a beautiful view. Alright, we snapped the random one.
Here we go. This is gonna capture like one of us.
Oh no!
I'm flipping. Stop.
What is that?
That's meat.
We have like 20 photos left on all of our disposables, so Brett and I are just gonna go on a quick photo shoot before dropping all of them off. We're done. All done. Those are all the disposables for the month.
So fun.
All right, we dropped all the photos off. I'm really excited to see what comes out. Yeah.
Oh, so excited.
I'm very excited. Real quick, guys, we have to talk about this video's sponsor. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is an all-in-one platform to build beautiful websites and run your business. With Squarespace, it's so incredibly easy to build a blog, online store, portfolio site, whatever your website needs are, Squarespace has you covered. With their sleek and intuitive designs, you can create a website literally overnight. I'm talking from experience. If you check out my website, venture.com, you can see that article about the time my friends and I first went into that tunnel. Also, we made sure to upload all of our favorite photos that we took on the disposable cameras in a blog post on our website. It's all up on my website, venture.com. So if you're ever looking to build a website, go to squarespace.com to start your free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/andrewlevittyt to get 10% off your first purchase. All right, now back to the video. So, I got everybody's photos here.
My winning photo?
All like 200 of them.
That many? Oh my god.
And we're gonna take a look at it now.
There's 200 photos?
I think so. And we're gonna pick the best ones here to put up
That one's sick. That one's fucking dope.
That's like an Instagram.
I took a picture of my leg.
Look at Millie. That is the cutest photo. That's my new profile picture.
Oh, wait!
Of those disposables.
Oh, the old house.
Oh, this must be out of the old house.
We had an old disposable camera we never developed. Oh, look, Jake. It's you.
Brennan with the snap, bro.
Oh, damn. Yeah, that looked good.
With our art gallery starting soon, we quickly got the house prepared, picked our favorite photos, and put them on the wall.
This is where I wanna stay.
How did you transport that in the wall? Alrighty, thank you all for coming to our gallery. You all look incredible. It was surprisingly easy to get you all to drink on a Tuesday. So as some of you might know, I gave all my friends disposable cameras for the past 2 weeks, and I challenged them to get the best photo they could. These are all the photos that didn't make it, but in the other room right there, we have a little gallery set up of all the photos that did.
This is where I wanna be. Never
With the challenge now over, I can see why so many of my friends use disposable cameras today. It's interesting to see how in a digital world, there's an increased popularity in film photography. Because to be honest, disposable cameras are objectively worse at taking photos. They're expensive, you have a finite number of captures, and you aren't able to zoom, edit, or review your photos until they're developed. But maybe that's why disposable cameras are so special. They're raw. Snapping a picture feels more authentic than capturing 1,000 different photos and picking the perfect one. Not to mention, the retro look is pretty cool. In the end, I was so happy with this challenge that I decided to take it one step further. What if I stopped using my phone's camera and only used disposable cameras for 30 days? Will I dislike being limited to 27 photos per camera, or will I be more encouraged to take photos with a camera always in hand? I guess we're gonna find out next month. That was great. That was what I needed. Is that enough meat for you?
Look at yourself. Turn the camera on yourself. You look so stupid.
Oh, what were you saying? What were you saying?
Get up! Ooh, that's a big boy!
That's my love. Get a disposable. You just took a photo. I just took a photo. I could not wait for that photo to turn out.